Hi friends. If I ask you one question, or let's say in your interview, a question is asked to you that what do you mean by LD50? Fair enough. Got my question? Let me repeat. What do you mean by LD50? In Hindi, LD50 से आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? LD50 क्या है? So I see lots of students always answer in one or two sentences, whatever the definition they have, mug up in their studies. They always throw that one or two sentences, but I always like to go deeper inside that. So let me answer this question. LD50, the full form of LD50 is lethal dose. Now this 50 is a 50 percentage. The 50 means 50 percentage. Now this dose means, you see, you go to a, let me explain. You see, you go to a doctor, and after all your sickness, the examination of the sickness, they provide you certain medicines. In those medicines, there is a written that over there that the dose is for 300 milligram. This dose is for 150 milligram. Now you are suffering more, so I'm giving you dose of 500 milligram. So the same dose you have to consider here. So lethal dose, lethal means anything that can kill. So now from this lethal and dose, you might have a certain idea about lethal means death, related to death, and dose means certain amount. So lethal dose LD50. LD50 means it is a dose, it is a some material given all at once. Okay, given material all at once causes 50 percentage death of animal or sample which you want to taste. Okay, 50 percentage of group of sample, that is called LD50. So let's say you want to taste some material, like any material, any solvent, any chemical. Let's say methanol. Okay, methyl alcohol, you want to taste it. Now you want to take, you have 100 grams of methanol, and now to taste this value, certainly we have to taste on some samples. So to what? Basically this taste has been done on rats, mice, pigs, but generally you will find in rats and mice only. Now to taste this, let me elaborate by giving one example. Now you have 100 grams of methanol and you want to taste, you want to have LD50 numbers. Now you have 100 mice. Now let's say you are, you have a cage, and you all you all just put this material into that cage, and you have 100 mice in that cage. Now mice will not go and suck that methanol inside their body. So we have to use some method like dermal, okay, by injection or by mouth. Okay, so there are three methods. So basically they inject methanol into the mice. So if you have 100 mice and you have 100 gram methanol, now this So how will you find the LD50? So if by that 100 gram of injection, that is okay, so by that 100 grams of methanol injection into the 100 mice, if 50 percentage of mice, let us say 50 mice, okay, are killed, I'm not using killed but died. So if 50 percentage, it means 50 mice are died because of that methanol, then you have to wait that 50 numbers of mice. So let's say you have some figure. Now one mice, let's say, equal to 1 kg. So you have 50 kg, 50 kg of mice died. So you have to divide 100 divided by 50. Basically the unit is milligram per kg or milligram per gram also. So basically milligram per kg, it means that 100 gram divided by 50 kg. So 2 milligram per kg. So 2 is a number. Okay, it's very high. It's very high. So LD50 is 2. So this is how you can calculate LD50, and this should be your answer when asked in any interview, any chemical engineering interview. So this should be the elaboration. So from the definition to the explanation, elaboration with proper example, you will get full score. Now there are some more questions how LD50 is related to LC50. How, I mean, you read some MSDS and you have some figure 500 mg per gram of particular chemical. So and some another chemical 300 mg per gram. Now how will you relate these two chemicals, or how will you use these numbers in your designing of process or in your optimization of process, or to use any chemical or screening of chemicals? So how will you use? So what is the application of LD50 number? That can be the third interview question. So if you want to know about this interview question, then you can mail me. I'm dropping my mail ID here, and hope you like this video. And if you want full printout of this question and answer, interview question and interview answer, then also you can mail me. I will just forward the mail to you. Thanks for watching this video.